Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to use grouping to get the most out of your maps in BatchGeo. If you're new to BatchGeo, it's an amazingly fast mapping platform that lets you turn data into Google Maps. So let's open up your browser and get started. Online maps are one of the best tools for exploring, navigating, and visualizing data. But if you're not using grouping, you're probably missing out on some of the most powerful features they offer. Today, we're going to show you how to make the most of your online maps by grouping your data using markers. And to get started, all you're going to need is a spreadsheet with some basic info. Things like an address, city, state, maybe even country. Beyond the location, your spreadsheet might also include some context. We have a city, a country, and a classification. Okay, this is where grouping gets fun. With grouping, you can filter your map to show only the markers you care about. It can reveal patterns, isolate specific segments, and tell a better story with your data. Map grouping is a way to organize your data visually, and with BatchGeo, you can detect your extra columns and make them available for selection automatically. You don't really have to prep anything special, but a little spreadsheet cleanup is always going to give you the best results. For example, say you're mapping global cities and a classification score. You can group by that column and instantly highlight just the top-rated cities like Alpha Plus and Alpha Plus Plus. All you have to do is hover over the drop-down on the lower left corner of the map, choose the column you want to group by, like classification, then select the value you want to focus on. The map will update in real time and it'll show you only the markers that match your selections. But what if a group is missing? That usually means maybe something in your spreadsheet is off, like maybe a column has blank cells. Here's a quick fix. Open your spreadsheet and sort the columns so empty cells drop to the bottom. Type NA in the first empty cell and make sure it's in all caps, and drag that down to fill the rest. Now, when you reload your map, your missing group should show up in the dropdown. And what if your numbers aren't showing up in ranges? You might just need to adjust the column format. Just go up to Format menu, check the number format, and switch to either plain text or automatic. If grouping isn't right for your project, no problem. Just edit your map and under Validate and Set Options, change the group by setting to single color. That's that easy. Grouping turns your map into a flexible, visual filter for your data. It's fast, intuitive, and it helps your audience focus on what matters most. Give it a try with your next BatchGeo map, and make your data easier to understand at a glance. Okay, that's it for today. You just learned how to use grouping to get the most of your maps. We hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you next time. Thanks again.